Well, here we are, back in the woods again. Humid as heck out here. But these guys drugged me out, broken leg and all. Glad that they did, because it's looking like this is going to be a pretty promising area. Where did we make it to, guys?
Looks like a cave.
Well, probably gonna have to see what's inside of it, huh? Your hand's burning. Let's see it. Oh, what a mud hole!
Look.
Dude, this place pushes some water out.
Where'd it go?
It stays the same. It just keeps going through this pool of water.
What?
It goes through a... Ow! We have to crawl through a pool of water under this. Oh, there's nothing but clay back here. It's a death trap. I'm just in a water tunnel. That's it. Death trap, water tunnel. I can go that way, or I can go straight. But and still hear them, so I should be good to go. But all this mud is very difficult to climb on. What do we have here? I feel like that's not gonna go anywhere. What? What is this? What is this? Oh my. I'll be getting really close to the surface at some point. There's tree roots growing through here. Cool flowstone. Oh yeah, that's cool. I gotta get those guys. You hear it already? Oh yeah. Nice! Oh man, look at that. I can hear it. Is it cold? That's awesome. I see why you couldn't get up there.
Yeah.
This is oh, silly.
I think you might be. Cole's still stuck in the back of the cave. We gotta get a rope.
Hey Hannah, here. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Ready? No, ready? And here, bend your legs. Come back. And push off. Go. Oh my gosh. 6 feet. Hannah.
Yeah.
Nothing. My camera blinking.
But it got cold.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, dude, that rumbling is definitely coming from in here.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. At least, except not this time. Yeah.
I'm a little iffy on going in here, man. That is like a mass amount of water coming in somewhere.
Bro, I'm just
Sounds like it's close.
imagine it.
What's
just
that?
It sounds like it's close,
It's
but
getting closer.
you guys didn't get a view of that guy. If you turn around, dude, look at this pipe on the way out. Can you see it still? Yeah.
Whoa.
Probably not the greatest idea to be in here while it's raining, but
Yeah, there's a broken foot.
yeah, well. Oh man, it sounds wicked.
It is loud.
Well, hey, there's definitely water coming from somewhere, guys.
I think there's a leak.
Something's leaking. Oh my God. This is water. Hannah, stay away from the edge, okay? Until we know where we can go. Oh wow.
Where does that go? We don't want to know. Why? Oh my God, that's not even playground.
No. You're done if you fall down there, dude. Hannah, there's a rope way up there. Yeah.
How do you get to it?
I don't know, but we gotta figure out how to get over to it. We eyed up that waterfall, so now we brought some ladders with. We gonna get up there this time, Hannah?
Yes.
What's up?
All right.
We're getting up there this time. Let's go.
With some ladders. Saying
It might be a little wet.
it's a little wet back here still.
Yeah, I'm not carrying it through the water.
No?
No Cole's gonna carry that. Leave that there for Cole.
Without falling down this hole bottom. Hey Cole, drag that to you a little bit. I think the more play we have in it though, and not strap, the more it gives us to be able to stretch. Right? Watch your finger. Oh, your fingers can't do it. Alright, hold on. It's right at the edge, so don't hold on to it. Did it come in there, Marco? Oh, you okay? Good. Did it hit you? Yeah, fine. What? Yeah, grab that orange one.
Hey, check this out.
You like you're on the floor, man.
It's wet, huh? You got your wetsuit pants on? Nope. Neither. Like a bowl pocket, the water moves. I cannot see anything. Oh, we got a little mini waterfall, huh?
So we do got 3 waterfalls. Either way.